Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana. So let me take you to the website, which is dolcegabbana.com. I'll mention the link in the video description for your quick reference. Now, for the ones who don't know about them, Dolce Gabbana is a luxury Italian fashion brand founded in 1985. Renowned for its bold, glamorous designs and Mediterranean-inspired aesthetics, it offers high-end clothing, accessories, fragrances, and eyewear. The brand embodies elegance, craftsmanship, and opulence in the fashion world. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all the great products, and if you like something, why don't you go ahead and buy it? However, you know it, that we are not here for that, and you guessed it right. We are here for the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana. So why don't we talk more about it? So who can join the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana? Like affiliate from which country can join? As such, I didn't find any restriction, so you're all good with that. To the consumers of which country can you promote their products? Well, they got a great list, a huge list of the countries you could promote them to, and we will talk about it later in the video as well. So how do you join the affiliate program, or how do you apply to the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana? For that, let me take you to the website called partnerize.com. Now, why Partnerize and what is Partnerize? Partnerize is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join their respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana, then you must join the affiliate program of Partnerize as an affiliate, which is of course free of cost, but you should still create an account with them so that you can apply for the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana. And to create an account with Partnerize, simply hover over customers and click on affiliates, which will take you to this page. Click on join Partnerize and sign up yourself as an affiliate. Now I understand there are many nuances involved, like how do you create an account, which information to fill in, where to fill in, then how to use the platform. Don't you worry, I had created a couple of videos on Partnerize affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description for sign up as well as tutorial. Go through with those videos and get yourself the knowledge of Partnerize affiliate account. In any case, once you get an account with them, come to the website once again, click on login, and over here enter the username and password followed by a captcha completion and click on login, which will take you to something called dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. You may also call it affiliate dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands, not just Dolce & Gabbana, but the focus of the video is the affiliate program of Dolce & Gabbana, so we'll only talk about them. Now, to find their affiliate program, simply click on campaigns. Once you're here, simply click on join campaigns, and over here on the left-hand side, type in Dolce, and you would be able to see the affiliate program, Dolce Gabbana. They have 7 eligible campaigns, and depending on your location, you can apply to any of these. So if you click here, it will open something like this. And if you look at the left-hand side, you'll see the contact email address. You can always reach out to this email address if you have any question about their affiliate program. And then you can also see the promotional countries. So this is what I was talking about. As an affiliate, you can promote the products of Dolce Gabbana to the consumers of any of these countries, and you could get commission. Now, if you look at the right-hand side, depending on where you want to promote them, you want to apply to the affiliate program accordingly. For example, if you want to promote to the consumers of Germany, go with this program. This is for Spanish consumers, and then this is for France, this is for Italy, then we got UK, US. Now, if you got international consumers, then you can go with this one. Now, how do you see more information for these programs? For that, you can click on any of these hyperlinks. I'm going to click on Dolce Gabbana International. And when you click on it, you will get to see more details, such as commission rate. So you see here, 10% CPA. That means if I apply to Dolce Gabbana International Affiliate Program, this one, then when I bring sales to them through my tracking link, I would end up getting 10% of the sale amount as commission. And depending on this, you can click on other affiliate campaigns of Dolce Gabbana, and you can see different commission rate based on the regions. And if you want to apply to all of them, you can click on select all, and you can click on the agreement here. Just tick mark this and click on join selected campaigns. You have an option to tick mark only few if you want to apply to only few campaigns, but if you have consumers from all over the world, then it's better to select all, select here, and click on join selected campaigns. And when you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Dolce and Gabbana would go. They will review your details and they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they'll give you the approval. How much time would it take? It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And if you want to reach out to them, or if you want to follow up with them, you can always write an email to them at this email address. Now, when you get the approval, you'll be notified via an email, and you will also be able to see them in here within campaigns, your campaigns and commission. You will see them approved in here. So for my test account, I have been approved by Wise. Same way, if you would have been approved by Dolce & Gabbana, you would be able to see them here. All right, so you got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them, but you can't just take any link from their website or the link to any of the product from the website and promote them. You have to use tracking link. And how do you get the tracking link? For that, click on tracking from the menu bar, which will take you to this section. Over here, you will see your approved campaigns. When I say campaigns program, I simply mean affiliate campaign of the respective brand. So you can search for the approved campaign in here. You will only see the approved one. So let's say if you get approved by Dolce Gabbana, then you can search them in here and you can tick mark. And just for the testing purpose, I'm going to go with Wise Currency AUD campaign. Let's assume this could be Dolce Gabbana. So you can select that. And to create your tracking link, you can put the normal link in here. So I'm going to take the homepage link of Dolce Gabbana. I'm going to come to the section again. I'm going to put the deep link in here, and then I can select the website. Now these are my websites that I must have given. Same way when you created an account with Partnerize, you must have given your website, but it's optional. If you don't want to select it, all good. Then you will see your tracking link in here. You will also see shortened URL if that's available here. So once you see it here, you can simply copy and start sharing it with your audience. So let me show it to you. If I'm going to copy and paste, if I'm going to click on it, so it will lead the person to the homepage of Dolce Gabbana. So this is how you create your tracking link. But what if you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use available creatives like different kind of tracking links? For that, you can click on content, which will take you to the section. You would be able to find image links, HTML links, email, text feed, and lead form, depending on the approval you get and depending on what the brand is providing. So in our case, Dolce & Gabbana. So whatever they're providing, you would be able to see them in here in hyperlink. So let's take Wise, for example, once again, and assume that this is Dolce & Gabbana. So in that case, if you want to see the image link, simply click on the hyperlink, the respective hyperlink, and then scroll down, you will see the respective banner link. So same way, let's assume you get approved from Dolce Gabbana. You will see them in here. Click on the hyperlink and then scroll down. And let's assume that these are the banners of Dolce Gabbana. Just click on the banners that you like, and you will see the default creative code and HTML tracking code. So you can copy the HTML tracking code and add it from the backend of the website. Now remember, these are HTML link code. That means you would only be able to use it by embedding them from the backend of your website or blog. So this is how you have two options. Either you create your tracking link through tracking section, or you get the banner links or other kind of links through the content section. In any case, you will either have the HTML link code or tracking code for promoting Dolce & Gabbana. The next question arises, where exactly can you promote them? Or rather, how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one of the way is through website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from Dolce & Gabbana affiliate program team for the website, you're good. You can promote them anywhere on your website, which you feel is more suited for your audience. Maybe put the advertisements of their own homepage or some section of your website that you see fit. Free form, totally up to you. Second way is blog. Now, I feel like blog could be good because you could write blog posts about Dolce & Gabbana. You could write blog posts about different products of Dolce & Gabbana, and with your blog post, just put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post content itself. So this way, when readers would read it, they would click on your tracking link and buy the product from Dolce & Gabbana. Guess what? You'll get the commission. Now, third way is social media. Now, social media would be amazing. You could promote them on social media as well. And you have many options. You could create videos. You could create the reels. or other social media content could be posted as well, and simply just put your tracking link in the comment section. So this way, when people would go through those content of yours on social media, will click on the link, which will result into them making sales and you getting commission. Fourth way here, which is fashion apparel website, which I feel like is more suited and would be of super help to you, because why would people come to a fashion apparel website? Because they want to learn about what's in trend, isn't it? So let's assume that as an affiliate you have fashion apparel website, so you could maybe create different sections just for Dolce Gabbana, or maybe you create different sections for different products of Dolce and Gabbana and integrate banner links or image links accordingly in those sections. So this way, when people would explore those products, will click on the link, will buy it, you get the commission. So these are some of the ways through which you can promote them. But ensure through whatever way you're promoting them, you must have given that details while signing up for the partnerized affiliate account. But where would you see your performance when you bring sales to them? You should be able to see your performance, correct? For that, you can come to the partnerized dashboard once again, and over here you can go to analytics, which will take you to this section. You can click on performance and you would be able to see your performance. From the left hand side, you can click on view pre-build report and you can run any of this report. As of now, I'm running your performance. So in your performance report, you would be able to see clicks, conversion items, total order value, and commission. Like this, you can run any of these pre-build reports. You can change the date range as well and see the data accordingly. Same way, you could also create your own custom report. Just click on it and create it. And then there are other features as well that you could use. And if you want to have more details, you can click on payment, which will take you to this section. And over here, you would be able to see your pending commission, your approved commission, your confirmed and available for withdrawal. Spending means the sale amount that you must have brought to the brand and the commission associated with it, which is not yet reviewed by the brand. Approved mean it is reviewed by the brand, the commission amount, and brand is totally fine with it. Like they're fine and they want to give you the commission, but the invoice for that is yet to be raised to the brand. Confirmed means that the commission amount is confirmed and the partnerized is just waiting for the brand to make the payment to partnerize so that they can issue the same payment to you. Available is the commission that you would be able to withdraw. Simply click on withdraw and you would be able to withdraw. So for example, if I click on withdraw, I can choose my payment details from here and I can withdraw. But for that, you have to update your payment details as well. And to update your payment details, you can go to payment settings and simply click on add bank account. And when you do that, you can go with any of these options. I'm going to go with email me a code and then it will send me a code. Let me go there and let me pick up the code. So basically, when you update your payment detail, you're supposed to verify that the account belongs to you, kind of that. So I got the code here and let me enter it here. And when I click on verify, you can see I get the option here. So to set up the payment method, I can click on track currency. Same way you can go with it. Whatever track currency you want to go with, you can go with accordingly. In my case, I'm going to go with United States dollar. Paid currency, I mean, which currency you want to get paid. I'm going to go with USD as well. In here, that should be your preference. Country, that should be the country of your residence. I'm going to go with my country of residence, and then payment method. So you have two options, either go with electronic fund transfer or PayPal. So if you go with electronic fund transfer or PayPal, whatever the case is, you will see the related instructions accordingly. And when you click on continue, you have to give the details accordingly. If you select PayPal, then you have to give PayPal related details. If you select electronic fund transfer, then you have to give your bank details. Then you have two options. Either you can set it to self-bill or to self-bill or payment. And if you click on you can select the payment threshold. Let's say you want to automatically get commission from partnerize when the total available balance exceed, let's say, $10. So you can write in here accordingly. So depending on the threshold that you want to set up here, you can do that. And if you want to keep it off, you can keep it off as well. In that case, just ensure you update your payment details, and whenever you are or you want to get the available balance, just see the balance here, click on withdraw and choose the payment method accordingly and get the commission. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Dolce Gabbana. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.